showcased here, especially Soha, who's inaugurating it, because I think we are celebrating that very spirit which one can express beautifully in the real life, and hence the exhibition and Zoya. Thanks for the platform that you have given me.
Not at all, our pleasure. And Zoya stands for pampering women, indulging women, and therefore it is our delight to be present in the market making such hopefully fantastic jewelry. And I really thank both of you to have come here and kick-started this series that we are starting, which is actually a program called The Spirit of the Zoya Woman. Zoya basically means to give life, so this is giving life to this entire activity, which is going to celebrate women in general.
Lovely. And I think I'm the perfect choice because my name sounds most like Zoya.
Exactly.
So it's a good match.
Wonderful. Actually, I don't know, what does Soha mean?
Soha means a star.
Oh.
It's actually an Arabic name, and it's in the Great Bear constellation. It's the smallest star, and it's what people use to test their eyesight with.
Excellent.
That's small, but nonetheless a star.
In fact, Soha, as a person, she's brilliantly beautiful from the inside and the outside, as we have the jewelry here. And especially, I would say that she is that one special person that I know of who comes with the promise on screen that she will perform so brilliantly, and that's what I love about her the most.
I bet you said that to all of these 12 people here. Thank you. Thank you. And Gaurav is very talented. I've been very fortunate to have done many shoots with him, starting from Tumbile, and then I recommended him on many ad shoots that we did as well because I was so comfortable working with him. And he really does make you feel beautiful. And when you feel beautiful and your photographer gives you that confidence, then I think you can truly, that spirit of the woman really does come alive. So I think it's a wonderful initiative that you're doing as well on behalf of Zoya and on behalf of Gaurav. Thank you both for inviting me and making me part.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We'll just do some media bites.
It's the flash, you'll take a better picture.
You take it.
So we'll just come this side after your bites and then come, let's
Ready?
Ready all? Rolling?
Rolling.
Association is a very formal word for my friendship with Gaurav that goes back many, many years from when we shot for Tumbile. And we did wonderful shoots. We had an opportunity to go to Cape Town and he took beautiful pictures of me and the film. And I liked them so much that after that we've done many portfolio shoots and shoots for various ads and endorsements together. And I've always liked the way that he's shot me. I'm very particular. I think I've not always liked the way that people shoot me, but I think that he is sensitive and he makes you feel comfortable and he takes care of your angles and he is friendly. So I've always enjoyed him as a person. He's a lovely person as well. And I'm very happy that he's doing so well. And I'm very happy that he's inaugurated, that he's invited me to inaugurate this beautiful exhibition that he's done, which really captures and brings alive the spirit of the woman. And he's got 12 incredible personalities who are showcased behind us. So congratulations.
Thank you.
So आप तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगी रही हैं. आपके अलावा और 11 में से आपको कौन अच्छी लग रही है?
मुझे तो अभी मौका भी नहीं मिला है ठीक से देखने का. सबसे पहले obviously since Gaurav has shot them all, I'm sure that they all look beautiful. Sridevi is one of my favorite actors of all time, and this was a beautiful film, and I think it's a lovely moment that Gaurav has captured. Deepika looks stunning in every photograph, so you know, nothing special there. And
I would like to interrupt. It's not about what I capture. It's about what that. I love to work with people who are really. They have heart of gold. Especially this person standing right next to me, this personality. Soha Ali Khan. She really has that heart of gold, and I really admire her for who she is. Someday, probably, I will be as good a person that she is.
No, probably not.
And so all of these people make me good in my work. And
Thank you. Thank you.
So what 5 essential things that you have in your wardrobe?
In my wardrobe, a pair of jeans that fit you well, a nice cocktail dress, preferably black, which is quite a versatile color. I would say underwear that fits well is also very important. Comfortable shoes. I like wearing heels because I'm vertically challenged, but they should be comfortable as well. And yoga pants. I live in yoga pants.
So talking about your movies, 31st October is there, but you also star in Kyle Becomes. So
Yes.
what do you want to say about that?
I don't want to say very much about it at all because I don't know how much I'm supposed to say. But I do play the role of a doctor, and it is an intense film. It's action-packed, and they've got incredible action sequences. So mainly, of course, it's an action film. I think it's a genuine sequel to the first part, Kyle, which I saw and loved. And Sunny Sir's, of course, directing it, and it's quite a privilege to be directed by him.
Okay, talking about the action, are you doing some action stunt or something? Can we see that?
I'm involved in some action. I'm not doing some stunts, but I do get to try to be the hero for one scene. And I remember that's what he said to me. He said, "Today you're the hero," and I was shivering. And I got bruises as well. Look, I got bruised. And it was intense. I stayed in bed the whole of the next day after that sequence.
What was the overall experience? It was like
It's still ongoing, the experience. We're still shooting. And it's been, I would say, one of the most challenging roles I've done to date. Just the experience of working on this film. But I'm really excited about it, and I'm looking forward to the release.
Well, would you like to host a show based on fashion, like a reality show based on fashion?
I have hosted a show based on fashion called What Not to Wear, which I would love to do again. Aki and I hosted it together, and it was great fun.
So what would you like to comment on?
Probably not. When questions like that, they make me scared. Is it anything to do with the exhibition?
No, yes, it is.
Okay, then
I
yes.
just wanted to know your comments on your picture. What
Oh,
unique
okay. That's
spirit
easy.
do you think it brings out?
I think that it really captures my personality because I'm quite a quiet person, and it's got a serenity about it. I think the photograph, so I like that very much. I think there's a quiet. I would like to think that there's a quiet confidence about it, and there's an innate elegance about it. I just think that, and I just think it's beautiful. I think, everything that I like about myself, my eyes, everything looks nice. The tone of the skin, it's a very peaceful picture.
So you call yourself a trendsetter or a trend follower?
I would definitely not call myself a trend follower, and I have no aspirations to be a trendsetter. I am very comfortable wearing the clothes that I wear, and I really, no, I don't want to be either.
So given a chance, would you like to prefer having home clothes like pajamas and all, or a cocktail thing like?
Well, last weekend I went to sleep in my pajamas, and I woke up and stayed in my pajamas all day, and then I went to sleep in the same pajamas. So my day clothes have become my night clothes, have become my day clothes, which I think, and it was one of the best weekends I've had in my life.
Thank you.
thank you.
Yes, I'll find some patience compared to yours.
स्वाति सर देखिए सुहाजी यहाँ पे एक बार सामने मैडम यहाँ देखिए
Guys, if you all can come this side, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you for being here.
Excuse me.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. They say that a work of art is a joy forever. At Zoya, where we celebrate each piece that is created from its unique inspiration.
And one second. I'm going to felicitate you with a...
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, please.
Unfortunately. No, I'm sure it could have got elevated to something else. But we,
सर भाई यहाँ पे देखिए
Sir, अभी आप. Thank you.
thank you, Soa.
Thank you very much.
Amazing art.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. And all the best.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
87 तक किशोरदा के साथ काम किया, 86 से अभी तक आशा जी के साथ शोज कर रहा हूँ मैं, अमित जी के साथ 90 के बाद काफ़ी वर्ल्ड टूर्स किए, लता जी के साथ